Let's configure redistribution in our live environment. Let's look at a configuration example in our live environment. We are going to focus on R3. We're going to perform redistribution from the EIGRP for IPv6 Autonomous System 100 into the OSPFv3 domain. Again, R7 is going to be our focus for verification. So our goal here is to have R7 learn about the 2001:A:12:/64 network. In addition to that, let's make sure that R7 learns about the 2001:A:13:/64 and the :23:/64 networks as well. So it's going to be really important that we use that include connected keyword here. So let's see what R3 knows about. Show IPv6 route EIGRP. And it does know about the 2001:A:12:/64 network. So we can redistribute that. Now notice that the 13:/64 and 23:/64 are not here because they are what? They are connected. So if we look at connected, we can see they're listed as 13:/64 and 23:/64 as connected. So include connected keyword is going to be very, very important here. So in this case, router, IPv6 router, OSPF1, and we're going to use the redistribute keyword. In this case, BGP, connected, EIGRP, all that's listed there. And we're going to redistribute EIGRP, and in this case, it's autonomous system number 100. And let's see, what's missing? First of all, what's missing from this configuration that was imperative in our IPv4 configuration? That's right. There's no subnets keyword. Why? Because OSPFv3 and IPv6, does classful versus classless exist? No. Everything's classless. There is no class when it comes to IPv6. So therefore, subnets keyword doesn't exist. It's not required. So right now, let's just go ahead and hit enter. It accepted the command. Therefore, I'm expecting R7 to learn about the 12:/64 network. Through this redistribution process, it should be E2. It should have a metric of 20. Let's take a look at that. Let's go over to R7. Type in show IPv6 route. And there it is. It's listed right there. Let's confirm. It is an E2 route. It has a metric of 20. It's perfect. Exactly as we predicted. In addition to that, do you see :13:/64? No. Do you see :23:/64? What are those? Those are the networks between R1 and R3 and R2 and R3. They are not there. Why? Because they are directly connected. Unlike OSPFv2, which also automatically redistributes the connected interfaces participating in the routing process, OSPFv3 does not do that. So let's go back to R3 and add that in. Include connected. So now that I've said include connected, if we go back to R7, oh, there they are right there. Look at that. It's great. It's working as we expect it to, thank goodness. So we have our 12:13:23:. But the only reason why these two are here now is because of the include connected keyword. Let's modify some metrics here. Let's add on the metric of, let's put in 72. Put in a metric of 72. We go back over to R7, show IPv6 route. You can now see that the three routes all have a metric of 72. Again, it's preserving that metric from the redistribution point when it's in E2. However, if we change the metric type to E1, we're going to see 72 plus whatever the cost is of all those links to get here. Let's look at that. There it is. So a grand total of 138, and they are now